Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to go over how to change a temperature and pressure relief valve on a water heater. This one's a Suburban. They have Atwoods, Dometics. It's going to be pretty much the same process on changing the T&P valve. The only difference in T&P valves is there's basically two different size threads. There's a 3/4 and a 1/2 inch, and we can look at that a little closer when we get this off of here. The reason to change this, most common, is it just steadily drips. Just after a while, when these things are kind of releasing pressure and temperature like they're supposed to, they'll build up a little calcium in there, and then it won't be able to seal, and then you just have to replace them. So pretty simple to do. Right here I actually have a special socket that's designed for doing that. Okay, and we'll leave a link in the description below so you can get one of these sockets. You just start off by draining the water heater, of course, and standing the little lever on top of it, you stick that straight out, and then you put your socket right over here, and you can see it's got little cutouts here which will grab that spout on the valve itself, and just go ahead and rotate it. All right, bring this out, and this one happens to be, it looks like a 3/4 inch, and then there will be another one that's smaller. Just take this out beforehand, bring it down to the RV parts store, and that way you can compare and make sure you get the right size. So get it out here, we want to just check and make sure our threads are nice and clean. Looks like those are in pretty good shape. Okay, so we'll get our new one, get it started in here, make sure we're not cross-threading it. Go ahead and spin this in. Try not to over tighten it, but you want to make sure it is nice and snug so it's not going to leak. And then you're going to want to orient it to where the spout is facing down, and go ahead and close that lever. Put your drain plug back in, fill it up, heat it up, and test and make sure you don't have any leaks. Thanks for watching the video. We're going to leave a link below to get the T&P valve and the special tool for changing it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.